Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to continue showing you how to get started using 360 on a daily basis by setting up the application through the Applications Settings folder. If you have logged into the system, go ahead and start from your dashboard. And let's come to this page by selecting the Application Settings folder on the top left of your screen. And we've covered some of these other items. In this particular video, we're going to talk about setting up the quotes and the information that drives the quote section. Now this is just a simple section here. These are some add-ons that are optional for use, but I want to cover them here. This first one allows you to customize the header of the document as it appears. So the default header or title for our quote says, I think, quote/estimate, but you can have a multiple of choices that you use. One of those could be a preliminary proposal. One could be a proposal revision. And one could be a final quote. If I add these, I'm going to hit save because you always want to remember to save. And now it's created these and I have an option for more. So these are now, since I've plugged this or turned this section on, when I create quotes, I will see on my Review and Adjust screen the option to control or customize what the header of the document says. And when we go through setting up a quote, I will show you where that takes place. In the meantime, let's continue down here to Terms and Conditions. This is the area where you're going to control your contract language. So if you have a sheet of information of terms and conditions that you provide with your quotes, you could put that in here. It's controlled centrally from this area of the application. Again, Application Settings, Quotes. The nice thing about this is you can keep this information here. It will show up each time you create a quote, but you can also customize it for that particular quote. And doing so will not change what you have in the main bank of the application here, but you will change it just for that quote as it goes out. Again, when we get into creating quotes, I will show you how that works and where this appears in the application. So we've got some information here, but you can have a whole page or 2 pages worth of content that carries forward here. So let's save. And with this information in the system, it's all ready to go. So in the next section, we're going to talk a little bit about requirements and how to set up preset job requirements in 360. Thanks again for listening. We'll see you soon.